all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send real-time stock market alerts on Telegram. So to do this, as you can see, I've already created this amazing automation, and every time a new news is received, the alert is sent on Telegram. And you can also create this automation. For that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free, and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of stock market alerts in real time for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have this plans right over here. And let's say if you want to buy this plan, you can go to this buy now button. You can enter all your details right over here. And then further, we have a special discount coupon code just for you because you watch our YouTube videos. So you have to go to this have a coupon button and enter the coupon code. Apply this coupon code and it is going to say coupon code applied successfully. This is going to get you a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you like it, then you can move on further and purchase this Pabbly Connect subscription plan using this discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for RSS by Pabbly. Alright, so let's search for RSS by Pabbly right over here, and you have to select it. For the event, select it as new item in feed and click on this connect. It is going to ask you for the feed you are in. So as you can see that I'm going to use the Hindu publisher today. But if you want to use any another, you have to open a new tab and search for the publisher name. So let's say if you want to use Times of India, so you have to type RSS feed the Times of India, and then automatically you have to open this URL, which is the first one, and this is the RSS feed of the Times of India. And from here, what you have to do is you have to look for the market category, and then you can post the market news automatically using this RSS feed of Times of India. If you want RSS feed of the Hindu, type RSS feed the Hindu and open the first URL. And over here once again are the categories, so you have to select the categories under businesses markets. So as you can see, this is stock market news, which is going to keep you stay up to date with all the latest stock market news about the Sensex, Nifty, BSE, NSE, Indian stock market, global stock market from the Hindu. And yes, this is the feed URL which I need in today's video. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it right over here. So this is the Hindu business markets feed URL. Now it is asking me for the filter type, so keep it as default, which is recommended, and click on this save and send test request. Once we going to click on this save and send test request, we have received this news right over here. As you can see that this is the title, this is the link, this is the published date and time, and this is the description. So like I did this for the Hindu, you can do this for any another publisher. You just have to search like I showed you. Alright, so now we have received the news. Now let's post it on our Telegram. But before we move on further, I'll just let you know that RSS by Pabbly is a polling based application. So polling based application means that this application will not check for new data instantly. It is going to take some amount of time to check for new data, and over here in the case of RSS by Pabbly, it is saying the trigger will check for new data in 60 minutes. So if you wish to reduce or increase this time, you can left click on this and set trigger time. You can keep the minimum time as 10 minutes and maximum as 24 hours. I'm going to keep it as 60 minutes only and move on further. Now click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Telegram bot over here and select Telegram bot. For the event, select it as send a text message message or reply and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Telegram bot and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for this token. So to get this token, open your Telegram, go on the search bar and search for bot father. So let's search for bot father right over here. Now as you can see that you have to select this bot father, make sure that the image is same right over here, and then click on this start button. Once you're going to click on the start button, it is going to send you this message. So go on this /new bot, and it is saying alright, a new bot, how are we going to call it? So let's say I want to call this new bot as new market alerts, and then I'm just going to send this. Once I'm going to send this, it is saying good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. So what happens is that the bot username should end with _bot, and there should be no spaces in between. Alright, so I'm going to keep it as new market alerts _tunes _bot. This is the name I want to keep, so I'm just going to send it right over here, and as you can see, yes, the token is generated and this bot is created. So now just copy this token right from here and paste it in your workflow. And now I'm just going to paste it once again, and after pasting this token, just click on this save, and your Telegram bot will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, what you have to do is you have to make sure that you get this chat ID, and to get this chat ID, first of all, open your Telegram once again, copy the bot username and open the channel in which you want to send the alerts in. After you open this channel, go to the channel name, then subscribers, go back, and as you can see over here is the option of admin. So go on this admin and add a new admin right over here. Search for the same bot, which is new market alerts, and then just add this bot as the admin in this channel. So as you can see that I've successfully added this bot as an administrator in this channel. After adding this, now what we have to do is we have to get this chat ID. So to get this chat ID, make sure that your Telegram is in A version. So what is this A version? So as you can see in the URL, it is mentioned A, but in your URL, if it is mentioned K, go on this menu more, and like it is saying switch to K version, you will receive the option of switch to A version. So make sure that you are on the A version, and then copy the chat ID right from here in your URL after this hashtag. But before that, just make sure that you have already open the chat in which you want to send this message or alerts, and then copy this chat ID and paste it in your workflow. Make sure to also copy this hyphen. Now let's move on further. It is asking for the text message, so I'm just going to enter the news. For that, I'm just going to enter the title, description, and the news URL. Alright, but we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So as you can see, I've mapped the title, description, and link, and in order to map these details, put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map and select it like this, and the details will be mapped. If you want to add some static information, like in the start you want to add new alert or some message like this, you can also do the same. Alright, so I'm just going to simply keep the message as this and move on further. Now it is saying message thread ID, reply to message ID, and many other details. So all of these details are not required. If you wish, you can definitely edit this according to your own choice. I'm just going to keep it as same and click on this save and send test request. Now we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this message. So let's open our Telegram, and you're going to see that we have successfully sent this message. Also over here is the URL. So let's open this URL, and it will redirect me to the news. Not only this, but now every 60 minutes what is going to happen is this workflow is going to run. It is going to fetch the news from this RSS feed and post it on my Telegram. And yes, all of this is going to happen in real time, and I don't have to come back and again to my workflow to click on save and send test request. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check that out too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.